If we could transcend time and space, what kind of sensation would it be? To revisit this past, perhaps all it takes is a theater. In this workshop from the last century, China's first floating progressive multi-dimensional experience play, The Glory Belongs to the Foochow Arsenal, was born. The 80-minute stage play unfolds the 157-year history of Chuanzheng. It follows the young men's groups at the Foochow Arsenal College, illustrating the passing on of Chuanzheng traditions and the transfer of Chuanzheng spirit to a new China. Entering the theater, you find yourself in a hut from the last century. Students pass pristine paper boats, resembling a beautiful dream on a summer night. As a curtain falls, the unfolding of each era begins.
这可不是一般的船桨，这是我爷爷的爷爷的爸爸传下来的。我爹当年还拿着它呀，得了一个绰号。嘿嘿，水上飞。
What amazed me was the stage can fold and transform rapidly. 3D mapping and holographic projection instantly plunge us into the vortex of the time and space, while the continuously moving seas allow me to witness the unfolding of changing eras firsthand.
我们就把它当做一个时光的长廊，左右这两个平行的厂房，中间隔的这个柱子，6米一个跨距，6米一个跨距，就像一个一个抽屉。我走在这个时光长廊里，左边有一个档案柜的抽屉可以抽出来，右边有一个档案柜的抽屉抽出来，哎，这里就折叠着它的历史，存放着它的历史的档案和史书。所以在这空空的厂房里，我们就产生了这样的一种直觉和感觉，对空间的一种可能最原始的一个对话。
你们脸软无力，都是在耍花枪吗？过来，没有。 在海上后退就是死，脚都给我站稳了。我一直也没能赶上照相，就自己画了一张。那，你和娘要是想我了，就看看。
During this journey through time, I witnessed resilient figures facing challenges. In those dark years, they used oars to create golden waves, steering the boat toward a brighter horizon.
只要心中还有天边和大海，中华就永远有光亮，永远有数不尽的少年。
The insignificance of individuals in the vast river of history is just a drop in the ocean, yet time moves forward. In this journey through time and space, I saw the flickering sparks converging on the heaving sea, forming a beacon of hope, ceaselessly surging forward.